All right, y'all, let's solve this quadratic by completing the square. The first step is that you want to clear this side of everything except for your x squared term and your x term. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 5 from both sides. Okay? And so I end up with x squared plus 6x. Okay? Leave a space because something is about to happen. And we're going to set that equal to what we get here, 7. Okay? The next step is you take your b term, 6, and we're going to divide it by 2. Okay? And 6 divided by 2 is 3. That is a special number. We will revisit that momentarily. And then whatever you get once you divide by 2, you take that value and you square it. Equals 9. Okay? And whatever you get here, we're going to add that value to both sides to maintain balance. Okay? So now, young people, technically we have completed the square. This is now a perfect square trinomial. And the factorization of this trinomial is as follows. Remember what I said about us revisiting this. X plus 3. Whatever value you get right here is going to be your factorization for your perfect square trinomial. X plus 3 squared is equal to 16. Now, they asked us to solve this. That means we're looking for x. So our next step is, because we have a squared value here, the way that you dissolve a square is by taking the square root of that term. So we're taking the square root of x plus 3, or the quantity of x plus 3 squared. Okay? And just like we took the square root on this side, we're going to take the square root on this side as well. And so now we have, remember what I said, this dissolves that. They cancel each other out. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 4. Now, it's not just 4, okay? It's both positive and negative 4, okay? Because if I took 4 and squared it, I would get 16, okay? 4 squared equals 16. Also, negative 4 squared equals 16. And that's why we have to acknowledge both the positive and negative aspects, okay? So now, I have this, positive and negative 4. X plus 3 is equal to positive or negative 4. So now, young people, literally, I'm going to subtract both sides by 3. Okay, now it looks weird, but let's really see what we have. What we're saying is x is equal to both positive 4 minus 3 and negative 4 minus 3. Let's simplify. 4 minus 3 is 1. And negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. And we're done. X is equal to both of these values.